welcome to my channel. My name is Amanda and I'm going to be trying on my active edit from Wantable. I've never gotten an active one before. This is my first one, and my stylist name is Amanda, and everything was picked from things that I requested, and she added another, so 6 of the things I requested and one of the things she thought I really like. She said it's their best selling leggings. So you get 7 items, and you have 5 days to try on and keep what you want and then send back whatever you don't want. And if you keep 5 or more items, you get a 20% discount, which I really like. So you know, if there's like a couple things you don't want or not sure about, you can still send them back and still get 20% off of the rest. So let's jump in here. See what I got. So these are, I believe, capris. Yeah, Allure Capri medium, and it says Allure Capri in swell medium, and the the brand is Coliseum, and here is what they look like. I just love the print on these. They do have pockets, they have a pocket on each side. I love that. And these colors are just, I really do like them. But I did notice that their leggings are pretty expensive, because like I said, they were $69. Okay, so here is the top, and I did mention that I prefer longer tops to wear with my leggings, and this is the top that I think will go with them. And this top is Diamond Blissful Tunic Tee in turquoise. It's by Skechers, and it's $29, so not bad. And it feels like it would be really comfortable. Okay, and then this is I think these are the black. Yeah, these are the black leggings that she said is their best selling leggings, and they are high-waisted, pockets by Skechers. Go Walk high-waisted legging in black, $49 for these, and they feel like really good quality. And here is, this is a tank top. And I love the color. Lolly Tank in Heron. It's by Marika, and it's $40. Then we got a pink one. I think it's the same. It's just pink. And Lolly Tank in Ballet Slipper by Marika, and it's $40. Then I picked these out, and I love the color of them. It's kind of like animal print. It's really bright. Let me see. These are printed 7/8 legging in Neo Leopard by Thrive Society. They're $79. So we will see. And then the last thing is this. It's mesh black. And this is high-low mesh tank in black. It's by Thrive Society, and it's $49. And what I was thinking about this is I liked the high-low of it because it will cover the back. But I usually always wear a cami under things anyway. So I could just wear my black cami under it. Okay, so I will get to the try on now. Okay, here's this outfit. And I really like it. The shirt covers great. The leggings are really comfortable. What I did do, because I am short, I'm only 5'3", so I pulled them up, because if you see this side, it doesn't really hit like a capri would on a tall person, and so it's loose, it just hangs loose. So that's why I pulled it up, so it would be more like a capri on me. So this top is not going to work. It is very clingy, so I will not be keeping it. But here are the pink, and they look like animal print to me. Yeah, Neo Leopard, that's what it says. But I think they're pretty cute, but definitely not keeping the top. Okay, here is the black tank and the black leggings. The leggings feel really comfortable. I don't know, when I look down at them, it's like this side's almost looks stretched out compared to this side. I don't know if keep everything, the total would be $355. If you keep 5 plus a discount, $71 off. So it'd be $284 minus the styling fee. And I forgot that they gave me, if y'all watched my last Wantable, I got a necklace in it. And it had a knot in it. And I thought that maybe my husband can get it out, because I couldn't get it out. I think I made it worse. But he got, it's like he almost got it out, but it would not come unknotted. He tried like 2 different nights to try to get that thing unknotted and could not do it. So because it was the last one and it was damaged, as they called it, they gave me a $15 credit. So I got that too. But it would be $275.40 if I kept everything, which I'm not going to. I'm not sure. I mean, I'm positive that I'm not keeping these because they were very fitted. I loved this top. I really did. And it was the one that was only $29. So, we'll definitely be keeping that. And I won't be keeping the mesh tank top. So that's 3 things. So I'm already not gonna get the discount if I send them back. So the thing is do I wanna pay $79 for a pair of leggings? I don't think I've ever spent that much on leggings. I usually get my leggings from like online boutiques, I don't know, like $20 or something. Or I think I bought some off Amazon before for like $15 or something. So, and these are $69. I did really like these. I think I liked these better than those. And I'm iffy about the black ones because of, I don't know, it's almost like one of the legs is stretched out. It's like the other leg is like skinnier fitting than the, I don't know if you can tell or not, but it's like that much difference in the legs at the bottom. So it's like one sticks out, and I don't know. It's like this one is more stretched out than this one for some reason. So, and they're $49. So I don't know what I'm gonna do. I might just end up keeping this. That might be it. But anyways, y'all let me know what y'all think. And I thank y'all for watching, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.